Venus Civilization, Episode 36. What does a floating world produce? A civilization cannot survive on vision alone. It must produce value. If humanity builds floating cities in the Venusian atmosphere, what is their economic purpose? Venus does not offer rare metals on the surface. It offers atmosphere pressure, carbon dioxide, sulfur compounds, solar intensity above the cloud layer. The economy of Venus will not be extraction-based. It will be transformation-based. First, atmospheric processing. Venus possesses a dense carbon dioxide atmosphere. Carbon is not waste, carbon is material. Carbon fibers. Graphene. Industrial composites. Advanced manufacturing feedstock. Second, solar energy production. Above the cloud deck, solar radiation is stronger than Earth. Large-scale orbital and atmospheric solar arrays can generate massive energy output. Energy becomes exportable through microwave or laser transmission to orbital infrastructure. Third, chemical synthesis. Sulfuric acid clouds and atmospheric compounds enable advanced industrial chemistry. High-temperature, high-pressure chemistry that is difficult to replicate on Earth. Fourth, research and materials science. The Venusian atmosphere provides stable pressure conditions similar to Earth at specific altitudes. Floating laboratories can test long-duration atmospheric engineering technologies. Climate systems modeling. Closed-loop life support systems. Fifth, manufacturing for deep space. Venus gravity is lower than Earth's. Launching from high-altitude platforms reduces energy requirements compared to Earth surface launches. Venus can become a staging and production hub for inner solar system missions. This is not tourism. This is industrial capability. Venus does not compete with Earth. It complements Earth-Moon industrialization, supports heavy materials. Venus supports atmospheric chemistry and high-energy production. Earth transitions toward regeneration. A balanced planetary economy emerges. But there is a principle. Venus must not replicate Earth's mistake. Short-term extraction. Long-term damage. Atmospheric stability must remain priority. Industrialization must be integrated into environmental equilibrium. If Venus becomes merely another exploitation frontier, it fails. If it becomes a controlled transformation economy, it succeeds. Venus is not about conquest. It is about redesign. Episode 36 of the Venus Civilization Blueprint.